Friday, Vaishakha Mas, Shukla Paksha, Ashtami and Navami together today. Bharatiya Samskriti has got so many reasons to continuously meditate upon God. All the festivals of Bharatiya Samskriti are based upon worship only. All the festivals of Bharatiya Samskriti are based upon worship only. You take right from the Sankranti, January 14th Sankranti, then you come to Magha, Shivaratri, then you come to Purnima, Shivaratri, then you have Chaitra Masa Arambha, and then you have Vaishakha Mas, and then you have Jyeshtha, Shravan, Bhadrapada, all these Mas. You see, every Masa you have one festival, and this festival is not like any festival where humans are celebrating. It is not Mother's Day, it is not Father's Day, it is not Children's Day. It is the Jayanti of Hanuman Jayanti, it is Krishna Jayanti, it is Sri Rama Navami, it is Shivaratri, Navaratri. All the festivals are oriented towards the worship of God only. So here in Bharat, if you say it is a festival, it is not the festival of entertainment made by man, Kapola Kalpita. It is not Kapola Kalpita, it is not an imaginary festival, but it is a festival come from the Puranas. Every single thing we celebrate in Bharat is from the Puranas, remember. And the Puranas are the original scriptural texts describing the glory of Paramatma. Describing the glory of Paramatma. When you say Vedas, people may say, Swamiji, I don't know the Vedas. I have not seen the Vedas, I have not studied the Vedas, you can say. But the Vedas themselves, the meaning of the Vedas, even for scholars, it is not possible to understand without the Puranas and the Itihasas. Itihasa Puranabhyam Vedam Samupabrinhaye. Itihasa Purana. The Itihasas are two Itihasas. They are called as the epics in English. We say epic. The Itihasas are Ramayanam and Mahabharata. And the Puranas are 18 Puranas. 18 Puranas. So all together, put together, we can understand the Vedas. In the Vedas, if you have the name Shiva, Rudra, Vishnu, Narayana, or you have Ganapati, or you have Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni, or you have Saraswati, or you have Vani, any name you have in the Vedas, they cannot be understood without the help of the Puranas and the Itihasas. So the great saint who is Sakshat Paramatma is Narayana Avadar. Vyasastu Bhagavan Swayam. Vyasastu Bhagavan Swayam. Veda Vyasa Rishi. How many of you know Veda Vyasa Rishi? How many of us know Veda Vyasa Rishi? Veda Vyasa Rishi, we don't know who he is also, but we know about Veda Vyasa Rishi only from the Bhagavata Mahapurana and from the other Puranas. We know Bhagavan Veda Vyasa Rishi. Veda Vyasa writes about himself also in the Puranas. So this great Rishi, Veda Vyasa Rishi, is the one who has given us Mahabharatam, in which you have the entire description of the entire Bharata Varsha. Bharata, what we have, the Bharata country today, we have all the description right from the beginning, all the names of the places also we have in the Bharata. And some people believe that the name of the country came as Bharat only from Bharatam. From Bharatam only it has come Bharatam. The name of the country is also Bharatam. So in this you will find that they speak about 4 yugas. They speak about 4 yugas. The time concept. The time concept is based upon the yuga concept. So we have the Krita Yuga or the Satya Yuga. We have the Krita Yuga or the Satya Yuga. The first Yuga is called as Krita Yuga or the Satya Yuga. And then we have the Treta Yuga. We have the Treta Yuga. Then we have the Dwapara Yuga and then the Kali Yuga. In all these 4 yugas, you will find that number of living beings are born and then they go away. And then they go away, they leave this place and then go away. Just like we do yatra. We get into a train, after the train journey is over, we get down from the train and then go away. So people come in this world and then they go away. So many people have come and gone. So many people have come and gone. We don't know the count at all. How many people have come and gone in this world, we don't know. But there are some people who come but they don't go at all. Some people are there, some beings are there who come but they don't go at all. Who are those? They are called as Chiranjeevis. The word Chiranjeevi means those beings who are brought into this world and they remain all throughout the creation they remain. Who are those Chiranjeevis? Today we will understand those Chiranjeevis. There are 8 Chiranjeevis. There are 8 people who are always there in this place. Among them, the first one is Ashwathama, the son of Dronacharya. Ashwathama, the son of Dronacharya. It's surprising that he did a big crime, but he is a Chiranjeevi because his Chiranjeevi father had given him a boon that he will be a Chiranjeevi. Those days, the Rishis had the Vag Siddhi. The Rishis had the Vag Siddhi. If they say something, it will happen. Ashtamaha Siddhi, the Vag Siddhi is you will be a Chiranjeevi, so Ashwathama is a Chiranjeevi. But this Chiranjeevi, he is there, but he made a mistake, he made an error, he made an aparadha, he did a crime. So even today he is there in the Himalayas. People see him, but he cannot come near anybody because he's got a wound here on the forehead. Ashwathama. So he cannot come, people cannot stand his bad smell. So Ashwathama is there, he is a Chiranjeevi. But the other 7 Chiranjeevis are beautiful Chiranjeevis. Ashwathama, Bali Chakravarti. Bali Chakravarti, for whose sake Narayana took the avatar of Vamana avatar. Narayana took the avatar of Vamana. Bali Chakravarti was a great devotee of Narayana. Very great devotee of Narayana. But he had come to the earth, so Narayana sends him back to the Patala. Bali Chakravarti. He is also a Chiranjeevi. And if all of you know, after Diwali, the next day after Diwali comes on, Naraka Chaturdasi is called as Diwali. Naraka Chaturdasi. Then comes Amavas. After Amavas comes one more festival. Do you know what festival is that? Called as Bali Padhyami. Called as Bali Padhyami. This Bali Padhyami, on this day, Bali Chakravarti is supposed to come from the Patal and then visit people on the earth and go. That is why in Kerala it is celebrated very specially. Bali Padhyami. Bali Chakravarti comes and visits his people and then goes. So Bali, he is the second Chiranjeevi. Ashwathama, Bali. Third Chiranjeevi is Vedavyasa Rishi. Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso. Vyasa Rishi also never dies, he is always there. The one who has given us the Veda, the one who has given us the Purana, the one who has given us Mahabharatam. Every single name he only has given. Krishna he has given, Rama he has given, Shiva he has given, Rudra he has given. All the names which we know is given by Bhagavan Vedavyasa Rishi. He is also third Chiranjeevi. Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso. The fourth Chiranjeevi is our very, very dear Hanuman. Fourth Chiranjeevi is Hanuman. Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso, Hanumanscha Vibhishana. Hanuman is always there in all the Charo Yug Pratap Tumhara. Charo Yug Pratap Tumhara. He is always there in all the 4 yugas. Fifth Chiranjeevi is Vibhishana, brother of Rama. Because he was already devoted to Lord Narayana. Vibhishana is the fifth Chiranjeevi. Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso, Hanumanscha Vibhishana. The sixth Chiranjeevi is the Kula Guru of the Pandavas and the Kauravas. It is Kripacharya. The sixth Chiranjeevi is Kripacharya. Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso, Hanumanscha Vibhishana, Kripaha, Parashuramascha. Parashurama is the seventh Chiranjeevi. Parashurama is Chiranjeevi. He is the Matsya Kurma Varahasya Narasimhasya Vamana Rama. Sixth avatar. The sixth avatar is the seventh Chiranjeevi. Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso, Hanumanscha Vibhishana, Kripa, Parashurama. Now, seventh Chiranjeevi, the eighth Chiranjeevi is Markandeya Rishi. Markandeya Rishi is the eighth Chiranjeevi. So, Ashwathama, Bali, Vyaso, Hanumanscha Vibhishana, Kripa, Parashuramascha, Saptaite Chiranjeevina, Saptaitan Smaren Nityam, Markandeya Mathashtamam, Jeevet Varshashatam Sagram, Apamrityu Varjitaha. This shloka, anybody who chants every day in the morning, this shloka, if you chant, Ashwathama, Balir, Vyaso, Hanumanscha, Vibhishana, Kripaha, Parashuramascha, Saptaite Chiranjeevina, Saptaitan, Smaren Nityam, Markandeyam, Athashtamam, Jeevet Varshashatam, Sagram, Apamrityu Vivarjitaha. People who chant this Ashta Chiranjeevi's names in the morning, They will live 100 years and they will not have any untoward death. They will have live a very nice life and they will live very happily. So let us all pray to all these Chiranjeevis to have their grace upon us, and let us pray to Bhagavan Vedavyasa Rishi especially, because he is the one who has given even this knowledge also. So we offer our today's bhajan as well as today's session at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Vedavyasa and feel very, very fortunate. Hari Om Tat Sat.